business and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card. Overview. The credit card is one of 4 Marriott credit cards that new applicants can apply for, and it's the only one that doesn't charge an annual fee. This entry-level card is worth considering if you only stay at Marriott hotels on occasion or want to earn points without paying a yearly fee. You typically need a credit score between 670 and 850 to be approved. It currently offers a 30,000 bonus point welcome bonus after spending $1,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening, which is worth about $210 in Marriott stays according to insiders' point and mile valuations. In addition to points earned from the stay, cardholders can earn 3 times points on eligible purchases at Marriott Bonvoy hotels, 2 times points on other travel purchases, and 1 times points on all other purchases. The Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card, which has no annual fee, includes no foreign transaction fees, 15 elite night credits per year, enough for Silver Elite status, lost luggage reimbursement, baggage delay reimbursement, trip delay reimbursement, and purchase protection. Unless you're dead set against paying an annual fee, other Marriott credit cards have much higher welcome bonuses and are a better deal for most people. And their annual fees are easily offset by the extra benefits they offer. For travelers who stay at Marriott properties a few times a year, the Marriott Bonvoy Bold can be a great option. Hotel points are earned with every card purchase, and cardholders receive accelerated loyalty status. Because this hotel rewards card has no annual fee, it's a simple way to keep your Marriott Bonvoy points from expiring. Pros. Decent rewards for a no-fee hotel card. The Marriott Bonvoy Bold's rewards of 3 points per dollar spent at Marriott are competitive for a no-fee card and rival those of some fee-based cards. With each Marriott Bonvoy point worth 1.11 cents when used for stays at the chain, these purchases are worth more than 3 cents per dollar spent, according to our calculations. Other travel expenses earn over 2 cents per dollar spent at a rate of 2 points per dollar. Even miscellaneous expenses earn a respectable return over a cent per dollar spent at 1 point per dollar spent. Low spending requirement for one-time offer. After you spend $1,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of your account, you'll get 30,000 bonus points. When those points are redeemed for Marriott stays, they're worth $334, so it's a good deal for the low amount of money spent. Other cards may offer more, but those bonuses almost always require significantly more spending in the same amount of time. Annual credit for elite qualifying nights. Every year as a card member, you will receive 15 elite qualifying nights. That's enough to earn Silver Elite status in the Marriott Bonvoy Rewards program, which requires a minimum of 10 qualifying nights per year. This bonus entitles you to member room rates at a 10% bonus on stays, as well as providing you with 5 of the 10 qualifying nights required to achieve Gold status, which requires earning 25 such nights per year. Cons. Lacks free annual stay certificate. The Marriott Bonvoy Bold is the chain's only card with no annual fee available to new applicants. It's the only one that doesn't give you a voucher for a free one-night stay at a Marriott property up to mid-level on your card anniversary. That night's value could easily equal, if not exceed, the $125 Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express fee or the $95 Marriott Boundless fee. And like the Marriott Bonvoy Bold, these cards offer double the rewards on Marriott purchases, 6 points per dollar instead of 3. My thoughts on the card. The Marriott Bonvoy Bold is a card for those who prefer Marriott hotels, want to be rewarded for their stays there, even if they are infrequent, and can't justify paying an annual fee. It could also be for Marriott customers who don't want to worry about the expiration dates of the annual stay certificates that come with other Marriott cards because the card doesn't have any. You'll get a good reward rate on your purchases if you stay at Marriott Bonvoy properties. The Silver Elite status you earn by automatically receiving 15 elite qualifying points per year qualifies you for a points bonus and other benefits such as late checkout. If you currently have one of the following Marriott cards or have received a new card member bonus from one of these cards in the last 24 months, you will be ineligible for the bonus. Marriott Bonvoy Premier Credit Card, Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Credit Card. If you are or were a previous card member of the Marriott Bonvoy American Express card, the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card, or the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card within the last 30 days, you do not qualify. There are over 7,000 Marriott Bonvoy hotels to choose from, so you'll have plenty of opportunities to earn 3 points per dollar when booking hotel stays. You can also get rewarded when booking hotels that aren't Marriott properties because you still earn 2 points per dollar spent on travel. The credit card has no limit on the number of points you can earn. Within your Marriott Bonvoy member account, points earned from credit cards or hotel stays may expire. To keep the account active, it must be used for qualifying activity within a 2-year period, either by redeeming or earning points. However, a simple point-earning purchase with the card counts as card activity. There are a few ways to use points earned with a Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card, but redeeming them for award nights is by far the best option. Check out the Marriott Bonvoy Award chart to see how much your points could be worth. The chart shows off-peak, standard, and peak redemption rates for hotels in categories 1 through 8. At the low end, 4,500 points are required for an off-peak visit to a Category 1 hotel. At the high end, 100,000 points are required for a peak season night at a Category 8 hotel. You have other options for redeeming points besides hotel bookings. These are some of them. However, the redemption rates for these other options are dreadful. For instance, a $100 Amazon gift card requires 30,000 points to be redeemed. When used for a Marriott stay, each point is worth about 0.3 cents, or less than a quarter of their potential value. When it's time to redeem, you can combine cash and points if you don't have enough points to fully book your stay. You can book award nights for as little as $55 and 3,500 points at the standard rate with the cash plus points option. If you need to rent a car for a business trip, you can transfer points. Marriott Bonvoy has car rental partnerships with Hertz, Dollar Car Rental, and Thrifty Car Rental. With the highest rewards for Marriott purchases, this card is best used to pay for Marriott stays, followed by other travel expenses, which is the second most rewarding category. Of course, you must spend the $1,000 in order to receive the 30,000 point bonus. The Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card comes with the following standard features and benefits: baggage delay insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, trip delay reimbursement, purchase protection, and Visa concierge service. For those who stay at the Marriott chain and want to take advantage of a few perks, the Marriott Bonvoy Bold offers a no annual fee option. The card's 15 elite qualifying points per year allow you to keep your Silver Elite status and enjoy late checkout privileges as well as a few other perks. Remember that the Chase 524 rule applies to the Chase Marriott cards, which means you won't be approved if you've opened 5 or more cards from any bank in the previous 24 months. As a result, applying for the highest bonus possible makes the most sense. Consider one of Chase's other Marriott Bonvoy co-branded cards instead, unless you're adamant about not paying a fee. The Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card, for example, offers a voucher for a one-night stay at an eligible property for as little as $95. This wraps up my review of the Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word. And until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.